Good morning, students. Let's learn a very small poem, Row Your Boat. All of you listen, repeat, read aloud, and sing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. La 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 la. Now, let's learn some rhyming words. Tell other words that rhyme with the following words. Row. The rhyming words are bow, so, no. Second, boat. The rhyming words are coat, goat, float. Third, down. The rhyming words are gown, crown, clown. Fourth, stream. The rhyming words are cream, dream. Fifth, life. The rhyming words are wife, knife. Sixth, but. The rhyming words are cut, hut, nut, shut. You can write more rhyming words. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.